Luxmi Vasal is a beautifully renovated 3-bedroom cottage in a pleasant leafy setting in the residential area of Katoomba. Entry is via a circular driveway, and parking is available under the house. Sit on the front deck and watch the world go by. The comfy lounge area has a large sofa and Art Deco chairs. There is gas heating for cold nights in front of the smart TV, or log on to the free Wi-Fi. The fully equipped kitchen with dishwasher, stove, microwave, dining area, and lounge are combined in one large room at the front of the home. For a family, there is a high chair and a child's cot provided. Please BYO cot linen. Two of the 3 bedrooms have double beds, while the third has a single with a pull-out trundle. Linen and towels are provided. The family bathroom has a shower over the bath. A rear deck opens onto the large garden area where there is plenty of room for kids to play. A laundry is located under this elevated home.
You can book this property 24/7 at www.bluemountainsgetaways.com.